Hi friends, welcome to Jokal Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to write a simple and basic program in C language. And by the end of this video, you will also be able to write a simple program. So let's start. Here, open Turbo C++, then open a new file. In that, we have to write first the header files, which is written in all the programs, that is include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h. These two are the basic header files. There are many other like graphics.h, max.h, etc. etc. So here the main function we have to write void main. Here void is the data type, means a return value data type of a main function. Here the angle brackets, then in that angle brackets we have to write the program which we have to execute. So first of all we declare a variables a comma b comma c. Here we will declare the value of variables 20. Then we will write clear screen. Clear screen is a inbuilt function for clearing a screen, output screen, after the execution for the next execution. Here we will write c equals to a plus b semicolon. After each and every statement there is a semicolon required. In simple max expression we write a plus b equals to c, but in C program we have to write a result equals to components. So after the execution we have to print the value. So to print the value we write printf double quotation the message which we have to display on the output screen. So I will write the value of C is ampersand d. This is the format specifier for the int variable. If we take a float variable, so we have to write percentage %f comma c, then semicolon. Then here I'll write get ch to stop the screen after the execution until it gets any key pressed. So here I will save the document. F2 is for saving the document. Then here I will give the name add one.c. Okay, this document is saved. Now I will compile. So here alt C, then enter. It is compiled successfully. Then I will run the program. it is running, and the value of C is 30. As we all know, 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. As I press enter, it will return to this screen. You will say that it is fixed, 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. If user want to give a number by himself, so we have to write here few more statements such as printf enter a value for a semicolon, then scanf. This is the function to get the variable %d comma ampersand a, then printf here enter a value for b, then scanf for the second variable. This scanf works as a input statement. Here %d comma ampersand b semicolon, and here we will remove this variable digits, then save it and then compile. It is compiled successfully. We will run the program. It is running, and this will ask for a number input, so we have to write any number according to our choice. I have 30, then it will ask for second variable, we will write 40. The answer is 70. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. If you love this video, then do comment, share and subscribe my videos, and click the bell icon for the upcoming notifications of my videos.